Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Because you have sitting here and tell me.
Who me? First thing, me no like police. Me no want nobody say me an informer. I better you go on here, sir.
Hey, Fritz!
Me live good with the family. That are me. Positive. Move with the negative energy.
27 go on.
Give me that, they are deal.
They are real speed.
Everything go on.
Just have to come for a road and tired and no.
You know what them they are right on new tune, me dog. You know my style already, though. Something for your family.
You're factory now, bro.
Believe no man. Forever, though.
Oh gosh,
Believe, man.
You're damn thirsty still and nothing for drinking or so.
You don't say, oh, one bag juice me have a dog.
I'm see it, I'm glimpse.
No, man, load that, man. I want me having a dog. One bag juice me have, man, dog. You see me? She open bag juice now, brother. You know, so me can't get one bag juice, dog.
No man, but stay too long, serve too master.
Yo. Wanty, can't get it. Get it, no wanty, brother. My bag juice.
I'm sure you're free now, dog. You see me, cause
What is that, man?
you feel like a certain go there.
Where the man?
I'm ready for that, dog. I'm tell you about my bag juice.
You feel like you can win me, brother? I feel like you can win me. I want to get some man.
I'm tell you that. People lock up in my house for nothing.
You need even chung like me, dog. Watch out.
So yeah, I say, my name Starkill, be a little bit in that place now.
Squaddy, right now it's an unfortunate situation, you know, circumstances cause all of this was going on.
Circumstances. Well, me know say, a one man bought the place, govern the place, you know. And everything we are going to this place, that the man there run everything. And you have to say circumstances.
Which one money you talk about, Squaddy?
You wanna? Just to make you know. And you can pass on the information if you don't know who me attack.
You're a messenger, you know. You see right now everything will go on, things can get out of hands. You see me? So, I don't know who you give me message, what kind of situation you put me in.
Just know say me and my boys go over here for a month. You hear that? And something tell me say, but just tell the right man who to pass on the information.
Well, you don't know informing thing when you depend on that and you see you and your boys then just be careful. Yeah.
Alright.
You tell us me I go win, you know. What me tell you?
No, move. What you need to do? Yo, go down for your foot. Yo, go down for your belly. Go down for your belly, myself. Yo, when you know, though. Yo, go over this, sir. Go over this, son, bad man. Go over this, sir. When you know, though.
Jojo, how is that?
Make me tell them about job life. Shirt and me jeans off in my tried. iPhone 13 light flash bright. When me call for me go na fi and cry alright. Funny line while a client.
Police! Police!
Yeah, yo!
Police!
How that?
What you doing? Police!
How are officer?
Then you're to the police. You have me out of sorry. Everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything alright, man. I'm music, but they are the artist, man.
I'm music.
Yeah, just a culture music we deal with, man. Believe, man.
Yeah,
How
footstep
on?
about the place.
No footstep, officer, man. Nothing, man. You don't hear nothing.
So you don't hear the music?
Come lock off the boombox. Come hear your call.
What kind of music?
You know, say a conscious music, me deal with, though.
I'm here all night. I thought about music.
Family. See
You good though?
Yeah,
You
man,
good youth?
everything great, man. I'm bridging this, man, Joe. A good you to be, man. A good man.
Joe.
Yeah, man. Bless up, man. I really good, man.
You good man.
Alright, officer.
Yo, no go back on you, bro. Yo, go back on you.
You're not going to deal with this
Go back
system,
on
G.
you. Alright, go on your belly. Go on your belly.
Yo, what?
Yo.
Alright.
Shh, shh. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, you and me, I say clean you, brother.
Yeah.
You ever shoot bird yet? No. Don't shoot parrot, yeah? Remember that, yeah?
Alright, my G.
Alright, man.
Yo,
You, Mr. Sam.
Yo.
How your name?
27.
I'm gonna tell you this. You know, if you see I'm blind,
Mm-hmm.
hear and deaf,
Yeah, man.
I want you to do that for me, yeah?
Ball game.
Boy. Boy again, boy.
Oh my, so we nearly dead, dog.
Yeah, dog. Serious settings this time.
Yeah.
So my bag juice there.
You don't want to ask for bag juice, dog. That dead, we nearly dead, brother.
Up another level on and you're done a pelican and you're for the clouds ever prevalent. Now fi beg a soul. We are we owner done never job guard like Megatron. Up another
A ball game, we are give them. Forward me there.
Ah, man, there. Alright, Fana, man. Eh? Fana, man, you Musa. You Musa, Bumi. You all out same as I'm telling you.
Yeah, man.
You're a young boss. Feel like me a recruit and you kind of that.
Yeah, man, I charge you, man. I can't deal with it, man.
Who do you think of that?
You do.
Yo, come here. Come here, man.
Boy, you man, I
Come
can't.
on, sir. Yo, hold on for this. Oh, listen, man. Hold on for this, man. Man, I'm also shaking, man. Yeah, Musa.
Okay, I came to kill a boy, you know.
Boy, you my youth. Yo, take up thing to charge you. Where you deal with? Youth, you man.
Remember, say, I don't deal with them things, you know, man. Artist and music, me deal with, you know, dog. Yeah, man.
What kind of music?
Music, you want to hear one of them?
Yeah, man.
Yo, me not want to hear the fufu song where the police today. I'll tell you.
That one. Peace we are deal with, no violence, put down the knife, use the hold the gun thing.
Yeah, I don't want to hear that bad, man.
Nah, man, yeah, hold it down. I'm good youth in a young boss. I make me not get locked up today, you know, dog.
You tell me that, you good?
Go.
Alright, let's go forward.
Yeah, man. Nah, but I buy what you buy.
No, I'm not bad thirsty. I'm a good man. Now look more, yeah? Yeah. Alright, look more.
Boys, don't be foolish. This life is like movie. Just put God first and you shall shine any moment. 27 is in charge. I know.
Yo, Joe. Joe, if you ever know what just go on.
What go on?
Yo, Joe, you see man me pass through down here to the dog. Me book him back a shop. Book him up a shop. I said dog with the next brother.
Fall!
Hey man, put gun on me and no Joe. Me say man, them say they want to recruit me for gang. Anyway, they see me, they want to heal me up, Joe. If you know where me happy right now. I gotta run me happy if you run right now.
Run we go away. Where you run go? You don't know where for run going now, bro. Slums you come from in a charge.
Me a play for run, brother. Me have to run if I ever fly out, dog.
Bro, come on, dog. Show $100,000 for fly out right now.
Me nah no money, Joe. Me have to go find a way to fly out, Joe. You
Bro,
know them the kind of man them
dog.
pre no Joe. Them pre if they kill you if you're not young.
Bro, a music you do, bro. Bro, watch out now.
No, Joe.
Watch out now,
But
bro.
why-
Just chill. Chill, dog. Music
Joe,
you do,
only
dog.
chill now.
Bro, just chill now, bro.
It's bigger than me and
You want to make it out of slums?
Yes, Joe.
Focus on music, dog.
Me know, Joe.
Yo, bro,
Why? Joe, this serious, Joe. Me I tell you.
dog, before I go play some game, dog. 'Cause right
Game-
now,
right now,
if I
game
follow
can't
you,
help you, but dog, me forward still, Joe. Me I tell you, Joe, me no feel good.
bro, just go write a song about this, dog.
Sure,
I'm
sure,
here, dog. I'm here, bro. I'm here, dog.
Yo, Joe.
Yo.
Joe, me have to leave this place, Joe. Me have to be safe, Joe. Again, one them want me joining the dog. Me have to leave, Joe. Me have to leave the place, dog.
Bro, shut up your mouth and make you play the game now, youth.
Yes, mommy. Boy, two cat no climb me down while you stay down. Furthermore, don't go up here and play with the ball. Me a wait for you, boy. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Hold on there. Miss Nice daughter.
Yeah.
What go on with you now?
You know, say something I talk to you about.
What about there? Come sit down side of me and me know I pray now.
I'm just remember the man he sent me to top dog.
Dog, you can't ball this.
No, brother, me I go up in ball. Mommy,
Yeah.
there's something there.
How long me a wait, man? What is it? Oh, you're not going with the waist, man. Jesus Christ, good boy. Jesus Christ.
Oh, me care, mommy.
Boy, what you do with that, Jesus? What you do with this, Muta? Muta say you have to take you up. Muta, you have to take you up. Muta, me go, we do my best. We do everything we do to make you look good. Muta, carry it back. Carry it back. Get back to the camera. No, Jesus Christ. Look how big you on the no problems. So, carry it back.
I know, say, farming program, I don't want to do, but I not even have the first dollar.
So how much you deal with that?
$150,000 because me have plane ticket to pay for me and processing fee and me have some things that I want to deal with.
Say no more. Link me tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. See? Yeah.
But that's not the only thing, Tino. See, JP will live up the road. I make me know say he have to deal with me before I can get nothing.
So them nasty people here go on. What you said to me a while ago?
They have to deal with me and I want somebody to complain to. So when the girl run here that tell me say them say I feel up them breast and them.
Well, then I could dirty nasty JP here, man. And me have beer things I'm go on with, you know. They don't want to sign up for nobody, you know. I wish one I JP there.
Mr. Peters.
From up here, sir. You what go on, man. Me I send my little youth go. Give him a page. And then me just tell her what go on and you just go link him. See? Anything where you want to sign. See? Yeah. See a little youth here, future. You understand? When you make proud of mommy, you know. See? And when you do anything and get you one thing, make sure you make him alright, him go to school, get him proper education. And think great things come from in the Garrison too, you know. You understand me? And next doctor, lawyer, you know what I mean? Great things come from the Garrison too. And not just be a negativity. Zane? So I want you hold up your head to little man, Zane? Make a mama proud of you. Zane? And what's your name?
Jerome.
Jerome? It's when I leave answer, you just make sure say him keep a link with me. Just make him report on them things, Zane? Yeah. And make sure say I'm alright. School fee pay off everything. Right. And if a college in reach you go, everything see. Remember you miss nice that I know. You understand? Just connect with me, Zane? Yeah, man.
Yeah, dog, I bought them see my charge because I bought them could have shoot me out around the room, daddy. Them could have shoot me out, dog, believe that.
So that's why you tell me I want to recruit him from what time?
Yeah, dog, I bought you out, dog. Blouse and skirt. Look at who that.
But you know my charge, we are going to yeah, man, pull him, man, pull him.
You think they cheap, my dog? You think them are boss if you get?
Yo, Zambi, watch your road now, my dog. Believe them, man, 70 we didn't come, man. Chip got no. Yeah, me told her.
Freeze!
The ocean of them get like a IG. Yo, General.
John, know you, them lock up Zambi, you know.
IG say man, them will lamp on Zambi, you know.
Yeah, man, the Tony who shows them, man.
Just tell the dog to watch himself, man.
Sure, just
watch you, man, as you free up, man, me up on the black man, just link up here.
Alright, G. Fully. Sure, you. I will just say free of charge. Watch out. We will sign this for you. Oh man, the father man, you move, sir. Yo, young boss, watch that style.
Yeah, man, my dog, man, watch it, man.
I'm not dealing. I'm not move, sir, man.
Yeah, man.
Touch it. Touch it now, you. I don't know.
Touch him now, dog.
Alright. You can move booming in that. Young boss. General, I want one next youth to carry things them in that. Like we both them go lamp and Zambi in that.
Believe me, dog.
Two of them we are transport right now. Let me lift up the next two things them. What you say?
No idea.
When I depend, yo, I have two things for going in to deal with them. When I depend.
Well, like music thing.
Music bad man, you know badness already bad man. I'm sure you think one out. I tell you say I recruit you, the way I do it. Things I bring soldier forward.
Yo, 27, I have to lift up, you know. Bro, I'm not there on this, dog. Bro.
Bad man.
I'm not there on this, dog. So, yo. So, like how police will lamp on my charge, you usually do the body for it. You have to go do the thing for me, you know.
You know that.
Badness, man.
You know that. Yo, follow through. You're fan man, you're Musa. You walk out no bad man, what you do? Oh, yeah, Musa. I'm Musa Boom. Musa Boom, I tell you to stop Musa Boom from one of them. Bad man.
So when you say badness, so what do?
Two things, boy, watch you know. Other boy I start carry things, I don't believe
No, anything I
nah, Christ, you see. See you start. And you take on the road now, you see. Yeah, hold on, man.
Yo, take this now, you.
Yo, put it on your belly.
Yo, okay, man, Musa, okay.
Yo, wait, I'm going to use a dog.
Lift up your shirt. Tuck in your shorts. Drop your shirt over here. Watch it. I go on somewhere. Give dog and thing, young boss and runs a match of thing. Give me a phone and me give your dog and number. You see me? I show up the dog and left on the lane and wait for me. You see me? Not stop that, you know. No, make me have to serve play later.
Why father gotta go me and go there now? Judge. Why am I thinking I'm not finished killing our music? Me DJ with no father because I am new. Yeah, I sad on the day. Yeah man, I may have a drop off man, I see pray. Oh, mad, me have fall. Yo. What? You say drop off for me? Yeah, good. You do? You want to know? That's enough, me, you know. What?
Yeah, we are on sample.
No, nothing, officer.
Yeah, we are
Nothing. Just me look
So you
at
look
the box
for
on my phone.
Huh?
I told me see right there, so you see me, I say, I don't know how we up to. Is he pray?
So that's the police on around too?
Yeah, man, no, nothing for me, officer. I'm good, man.
It looks like family.
Eh?
It looks like family.
You got me up by house, officer, what there?
Wait, I boom artist?
Yeah, man, I miss you, man.
So you run from for?
Boy, officer, me just see you suddenly, you know, me just feel like a DJ, me have to just take care of myself, you know.
When I get a new tune?
Yeah, man, new tune always a bill, man.
Alright, that's enough.
Alright, bless up, officer. Yeah, man, that's it, alright.
Alright.
We got stacks money, jugs money, dog money. Ratty pon a banger with a skull from Cali. 100 million of the CFK money.
So, my dog, where you doing?
I did.
Yeah, I'm there, man. So everything up to the door.
Yeah, man, a ball game, man. Me deliver everything, man.
So do you, man. So what you going to do now?
You know, say I will me go with a fresh door.
You know me have a killer one for you do.
I would that.
I bring it up on your power down. My dog, where you going with? I call you everything up, my dog.
Thing good, man.
I charge this bring on you.
Ah!
Right, man.
Run a file, you know. See? My boy tell me a thing, you see me? And he must tell about me already. Because me a god in my place. Want some new recruit, you see me? You can't say no. No, we're not too far, you know. Me find you. Even if you have a girl in my place, or like a classmate or somebody who you grew up with. If me can't catch Kwaku, me catch in shot or the jacket. Alright, everything active, man. We connect up, Zane. Yeah, man, just doing the thing, man. Here. Alright. We now make it look like we accept people now. You see what I say? Yeah, man, because watch out now. You don't know a ball game going. You know, we need to find about chatting thing, my dog. You hear that?
Where are you?
Me and your dog again, bro. I rate you after what you do today, brother. You link with some man, bro, and you know say we not do badness, dog. And music you say you do, dog. I want to see a thing go further, bro, but it's like you're not mates, bro. You see me?
Yeah, me I say. Joe, easy yourself, bro. Hear me I say, dog. One thing me transit for you, man, them, bro. But now about them thing, brother. You know say me apart from baby stage, from school days, brother. Lord, what the man them thing, dog. That's one thing me care go for them, and everything great.
Just one thing me care for them and everything great. Great in a grave, bro. Great in a grave, dog. You should have turned big star and you see me on stage. Big up yourself.
Yo, what go on? What go on? Yeah, dude.
Don't see pre, man.
That juvenile, I mean.
I'm good, man. What go on?
From day me a try hear a boy, I move like say a
Man,
friend, man.
I think one.
Yeah,
Say
dude,
that,
everything good.
Yeah, man, everything good.
Yo, me have a thing where you mash for me. I found him king.
Bravo.
You see the iron bird, my boy. Me start tour, now a high and by. Bad mind couldn't stop me. God and kind, me mother feel when me feel, but at least me try. Me got friends when me lose.
Auntie,
Oi.
you know the marina there?
Yeah, me have some 2 bees one over there, say.
Hey, man, I want to tell you, auntie.
Wait. I know you look at me spot TikTok, I go and sit there.
Yeah, man, I miss you, man. Fully 27, auntie.
So what I go and find out?
John Brown. Name is sound familiar?
Yeah, man, a white color that.
Him same one.
Yeah.
So run some intel and get some info as it relates to him whereabouts.
You know, if I tell you the truth, me I deal with the career in auntie right now, you know. Me not have a sturdy manager or a sturdy producer. Me just have to go and channel by my own for now. Just for now.
Me know there's something they go. I'm going to give you a word of advice.
Yes, son.
In order for you to get to where you want in this thing, you have to get a job. You see, when it comes to certain things in music, fraternity or anything, you have to have a piece of money for yourself. So you have to work and save a little piece of cent that you don't get used by a system.
Yes,
you can't just about build career so and pan nothing. You have to have a change.
Auntie, tell you the truth, auntie. I did have a job, auntie. But you know, say them find out say a Canaanite will come from and lay me off, though. Them accuse me and say, me a thief. Them things are missing and stuff, auntie. I'm a good youth, auntie. Me just an artist. I don't do them things there, auntie. We just flow with it and go through. See, you know, say, auntie. Sure. Auntie, me a leave, auntie. Auntie, me a leave in ignorance, and I come home, And you know, it's a zinc fence, auntie. And I go so and bust the gate. And I bust the gate, auntie, the gate just fly back and cut out my foot, auntie.
My God.
I said, John, auntie, you don't even know me feel right now.
I'll give you a piece of history, though.
Yeah.
A farm I come from, which is another Garrison.
Yes, auntie.
And I could never go me and apply for a job and get it. If me mention 7th Road.
Really?
So you know what I do now? First music I take up back and sell it. Then, we realize a construction site have a whole cement bag.
This right here now, I don't know if you know Red Diamond bar.
The bar, yeah man, I know the bar.
Chill this up.
Yeah.
So me go over there, collect the cement bag, them take out the middle piece and the outside piece and the part them we clean.
This time temporary address.
And we use flour, make paste and make paper bag. So we start sell from paper bag in a beef market. And so till we go on to Skelly and several different things we venture in. You know one thing never venture in? I badness. Never at all.
Yes.
Me focus. Me go hard for what me want. And we come out, that's enough of people them still can't believe I said, you know? So me I tell you this, tell you say, you see in a long run, put down your foot on the ground and work hard for what you want. You will get that money for your career. You may tell you, don't follow big on the switch. Focus and stay focused because nothing will be nicer than you finding your own career.
Wow. Auntie, you know, say you put a positive meds in my brain and
No
you
say
make me
nothing,
feel
man.
uplifting.
No say nothing.
God know me, I tell you, say,
Take on the
auntie.
journey, brother.
She know me, I have to
And you come
respect
back
you,
and
know.
tell me. You come back and tell me now?
Yeah.
See auntie, you see me here.
Oh gosh, man, auntie.
Alright, have a blessed day.
Alright, same to you, and auntie, every time, man. Big up, yeah?
Alright, yeah, take
Alright, auntie, look, come on.
The whole boy they are going like, you know, run no food and no so extortion money for running. The boy like 27. So give me a number there.
Dog.
Good, good man.
Man, I'm Musa. Musa, you.
Yo, watch out. One of the dog right. Yo, what am I doing, no dog? I'm a thief.
Yo, your face again in you. You're bad, man.
Yo, watch out, bro. I don't know, no dog. Just
Yeah,
let me
kill
go
people.
home, bro.
At
27, I forgot to deal with it, bro. Yo,
you're bad, man.
yo, please,
bad,
please,
man.
bro.
I thought your friend, hold him good, I'm
Can't see your friend, bro.
Yeah, hold him good. Chat up, man. Hey, boy, get up and lift up from yourself. Get up, no, man.
Boy,
Hey, boy, lift up. Lift up, myself. Run me, boy. You feel like you're a bad man. Kill a boy in a young boy. Boy, you chat up like him a bad man in a you. Boy, if you dead in a you. Boy, you're a bad man, you.
Elder, come on. You know, say a piece of food the boss send me for. We are going to start collect for you, Elder. I'm going to kill you long time. I see you long time to win down. Go change it. Now make your boss know what going on. Tell the boss to come. Make your boss know what going on. Yeah, move up. Wait, man, them say me go there. Shut me, dog. Look at man nearly kill me, dog. Dog, I'm telling you, say one thing me I did for you, no dog. Me no dep on this thing, you know, bro. Bad man no beg me transport that thing and me deal with him out now. Wanna send me back to one little old man, I kill little old man, nearly kill me, you know, brother. Bad man, me tell me, say me no dep on this, brother. Music, me do, dog. Music, me do my out.
Oh, my dog.
Yo, dog, you know, say boy come here and tell me, be a fool in this show, dog. Just have to clap up some shut off for me, dog.
Say no, no, say general operation in my career.
Which part you there?
Cook me there, cook, dog.
Link money ready, dog.
Yeah, man, I left some of my food for you, man. We so circling in the street, man. Cause I just say, yo, me I jump out. Alright, when the rice done deal with, you see it? Active.
Yo, Joe. Dog, I take a foolish advice, Joe. Don't tell the dog. I'm not foolish, the man, I'm not dog. Brother, I kill him and them nearly kill me like a while, you know, Joe. I have to run for my life and I reach us, you know, Joe.
So them they nearly killed me 2 a while ago. And you cause it. No.
I'm there, Joe.
Bro, allow me alone, you.
Judge, Joe, I don't tell you say I'm music I deal with, Joe. Joe, I love foolishness, Joe. I know to the man them dog, I tell you from day one, Joe. I tell you, dog. You drop your friendship in a brother, I'm in up in a this now, you know.
Me drop friendship. When me tell you say, yo, you know for power them man there and them man you power. A dead you should have dead you would. You come and start come friend up man to dog in a hard time, dog. I'm telling you what.
Just circumstances, Joe. And I tell you, say, I listen to you, dog. I just music I do. I tell you, bro. Joe. Why, Joe? I don't know what feel, Joe. That's you may listen to, Joe. God, no. Believe. Do you feel like we feel, Joe? You feel like we really feel.
I feel like you have to take your music thing more serious right now, brother. You see me? Cause right now some serious things are going in, bro. You give back him on them things, bro. You see me? That a kind of violation and for them where they see it. Yeah, dog, so. John, dog. Bro, we just need to take on the road differently, dog, cause right now, we not even feel safe in our place and we don't know where else to go, you see me?
True. Where are we going?
Dog, watch out. Dog, feel like we could jump out early in morning time and breezy place, you see me? And do what we do in the streets and then flicking back late at night time. So no man not too serious, you see me? Yeah, dog, cause right now, dog, this is a trusty place, dog, cause a wrong set of people you gotta deal with, bro.
Yo, feel it in my heart, yeah. Go from morning, they say I move around you, I hunt down the whole place, Joe. I'm tired, I know you have to tired too, you know. Because you lick them dry, dog. You know, dog. People look water we can't drink, brother.
Come on, hold it, dog, you see me? Just come on, hold it down here, bro. Yo, wait. Yo, you know that hombre there, you know?
Who that?
Indian, them man. Yeah. Producer and a dog.
Yeah? What you say?
Dog, a top artist when I see dog busting a youth. Yo, father.
Yo, hold on there, Joe. Hold on. Dog. Yo, remember, me not go set in a Joe. We don't even know if man go on leave.
Dog, come here, bro. Faith move mountains, youth. 27. Faith move mountains. You see me? Have faith, bro. I'm here, dog. Your body, no, dog.
Bag.
Yo, producer.
Nah, no time right now, my general. Right now, I'm busy.
No, that's 5 minutes, may I beg you. 5.
1 minute, may I go. One answer.
Alright, I have an artist here, so. His name 27, man. Mad dog. Yo, dog.
1 minute and a half.
Give some quick now, brother.
Joe, I almost feel lonely, but it's me, myself, I only. And nobody notice I am smoking just to old mess. Lord, please surround me, my upkeep island mountains. Tears nearly drown me, but you never leave me unread. Let me tell you part of my story. Pocket dry like water run way. Me couldn't even buy nothing, but me still a try do it for family. Well, Lana, me alone on the journey. Firm enough and learn enough, not turn no cuff, me turn this up. Big fire like 27 burning up, determined my voice have to be heard enough. Oh, panic will street me alone, they a step dirty creepy, I want me have it at the best.
Hold on. Me not really take up youths off the street, you know, but you see you have a talent. So watch out. You have a phone?
Yeah, man.
Take my number and give me a link. You see me? So I link you. You know, you play everything, you know, but time is money, you know.
Both them not there.
Yo, young boss, you don't see nobody run there.
Don't see nobody, me dog.
Both them not there, dog. Both them gone. What's all gone? Both them run with that.
Look like you have good news.
No, you know, I'm fair free boy, I'm dog. I'm not nobody for them dog.
What you say to me?
Fair clear the bag, I'm dog, and the bag, I'm flat on you. Boy, I'm going to come and them vanish.
You have to circle them back, me say. A 4 corner everywhere. Zane, you don't know a ball game go already, brother.
Now I'm say 40 red, man.
You stress man brain, brother. Yo, find them, my youth. Find them. You know me, I say, man, I don't talk to you, man. You move to boom, you know. Come back, yes, man. Yes, I'm more, you. Find them. And nobody analyze them, man. Because I know your style there too. Jump, the brother. Calm down, dog. Right, bring them to me, you see me? Me discipline them myself.
Alright, man.
You see me?
That's alright, man.
Everything have to run under order, you know. So Slim as I walk your joke on phone. Then two you tell me I look for man. You know them.
Yeah.
Watch out, be right now, you see me? I try to get close to them and run a little program, run them file and see what them are dealing with. You can do that for me?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, come link you, man. What do you?
Hey boy,
Same thing.
hang up like.
Hold on,
Yes,
officer,
yeah, here boy, I'm bring on a gun in the
officer,
place.
which boy you talk about? Just they talk to me, catty officer, man. And what do you, man?
Yes, sir.
Officer, we are dead, Mr. General. Mr. General. General, we are dead, Mr. General. What go on?
Police or general, no, no,
What do you, brother, man? We are dead, Mr. Dog.
Lift up. As a matter of fact, hold it. Hold it. Lift up.
You know me, I lose my patience with you. Zombie, you're not talking. Where you get the two shoes them from? Brother, where you get the shoes them from? Yo, you know what? Let me teach you something about life. You how much now? 26. 30 years for the gun charge. 26 plus 30, 56. And guess what? Do a little research boy, you know. Hey man, I go check up on the school. You stab a youth. And him drop out. I'm not come out there. We can't dig up at the charge, you know. So murder charge, plus you have a day until you are 56. When you have come out, you have to be an elder.
But what time you can't turn in this as a film? How am I going to turn in this as well?
Yeah. You can't stay in this so long, man. For real, man. That's much nice girl there road, man. But if you help the police, informer. What is an informer? You help the police with a situation before. And watch it. So you have to tell this until you are 80. And you're done and run up and down and everything good. Think about your family, no man. Think about your school, no man. I'm there. Chat.
Yo, watch out. Can't tell you when me know, and when me know what going on, and how me work with it. Can't talk in front of someone. Camera, business, and
Officer Henry, close off the camera if you want for a reason in a private. Floor is yours.
I know me say, you know. Oh, go on, artist.
Where you going with, man?
You know, so from the other day, I scroll through my TikTok and I see you blow up a TikTok and I say, I love your music, you know.
How long will the wicked them reign upon I and I children? All of them are going to stumble and fall. And the righteous now have them back against the wall.
Howdy.
Go on, bad producer.
There, man.
Big up, man. Big producer.
Aye, man.
One idea. They up on the gun, you know, man.
Well, I see it over there, son. First thing first, I like going on time. Because you see, if I'm just 10 minutes late, done. You see me, because I remember for a man, let me tell you, say, time is money. You see, over here, sir, brother, a white life records. You see me? See them on the door, and if you look on it, what you see on that? It's factory. You see, when you come over here, so, make sure you focus and know what you want. You see me? Yeah. So, everything what I say nowadays, you find out if you did,
Yeah, man, I have beside out the tune already, teacher.
Have something?
Yeah, man.
As in here, reading
alright,
find something.
alright.
Yeah, man, me have it reading on my phone.
Nah, man, acapella more here, right now.
Oh, you know something for your girl, them, though?
You have it, man, dog.
Yeah, man,
You turn this up with one, man.
You a fella, you say it.
Go on, dog.
Girl, you got what I like. Oh, baby girl, you got the right vibes. Hello, Miss Niceness, Miss Vice Grip it tightest. Which part you did I this? Well, slide the finger inside it. Anytime you're honey, just call me. I'll circle you if you feel happy. Everything connected finally. But darling, you got the body, girl. You got what I like.
Yeah, man, that's all right. So you say, can you jump up in my boat?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Hold on there. Wait a minute, me get a text, sir. Wait, me run go to go there sitting down forward, yeah?
27, where you
So forward, my dog. I said no important, man. So forward. Just 1 minute.
Then
1
most of
minute.
the time is money, you know.
Yo, producer.
Hey, yo, I'm telling you, for morning, time is money.
I start it out with
time.
you. I see how
Alright.
See you next time, I'm forward. You never get the music. I'm my best friend Judy, you know. Watch out now, one nice studio, but you forward, yeah?
I'll go on Empress.
Dog, are this really so important, man, youth? You see, so we come from nowhere, dog. And we there start try to go somewhere, dog. And you hear the man say, yo, no time wasting and I come waste time about back, come link girl, brother. You know, can't link girl then I get up. Dog. Bro, I'm in a business, brother. Your career if you talk about girl or artist, Joe. Girl or artist, Joe. Why you not say, yo, me an artist?
Tell us, how you may have listened to you, Joe. So, we done collect already, go back in the video, Joe. Nobody makes sense to waste some more time. Forward, Joe.
Yo, dog. Dog, go on, dog. Go on, dog. Yo, go in the boat now, brother.
Oh, yeah, man. Alright, man. I'm touching on your board now. Wow,
yeah. Let's go. We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard.
Nah, like artists, you know, I like the song though. You just know what it look. So we are gonna.
I say, in the streets, what they do.
So you can't come.
I tell you the truth, you know, I work today still, you know. Because at night time, I'm circling on the black bar, the place kind of hot. And them I look for the artists away, you know, to tell you the truth. Today in the street, you know.
Alright, so make her.
Alright, I'm still in the later, yeah?
May I go?
Alright, take care. Yo, my dog. Ready? I think someone over there.
Baby.
I have good news for you.
That's why you're here, baby.
But I don't feel like I want to know, man, because they're growing my team now.
Baby, you know, say no man. Everything I'll get it started out. You hear that? Still more go on, man.
I know everything by your boy, them, you know.
Yeah?
Everything.
Well, you see, you run them file.
I mean, You know, so one of them are artists, don't?
Yeah, babes.
Yeah, see, artists, them are part of one Indian that are produce. You know, so I told them I got a studio with them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When they on the flank, I take time and move up. I'm sure it's a female that is beside him, you know.
Yeah, man, that is over.
Alright, I could go and see you play around.
You know, I can ask them because them not the boat at daytime and nighttime them there.
Oh, see you pray.
Both women in a charge.
No man, don't engage. Don't engage.
That's why I'm rate you, baby.
You know, I just remember them have a music video I got shoot, you know.
Yeah?
Anytime I get the information about that, I link you pull up and just deal with them.
You know about game, you know. Yeah, what go on now? You know when you talk to a low of your sister, you see me? Because I can't have police, anybody can pull up at any given time. You see what I say? So you just do boom, and I give you a call, you see me? So just listen out. Just keep a bird near, you see me? Here, baby? See it? Alright. Come here.
Attempting to bribe a police officer. You know what she hears that? Also harboring a known fugitive. You know what she hears for that? Assaulting a police officer? Wait, what is? Go far. See the amount of time we have face. When you are 70, you know, come out.
Time? What kind of time you talk about, officer?
No, you're torn.
I'm to the officer, man. I have a son I live fine, no?
Me not have none. Talk fast or walk fast. My girl, I waste some more time.
Alright, officer. Alright. I'm a lock off whole place.
Where did they and Gator though?
You know, so one program Max me for go run film though.
Program.
2 youth and 1 kill from what day. I'm asking for running pan.
So you know, say, you're part of a conspiracy right now. Mama, you see the best thing you can do right now? I cooperate with the police. So what you do?
Alright, officer. Can I work with you?
Come in a vehicle.
White collar.
Talk to who?
What's the matter for? Freeze!
Freeze your mama! Where are the police, boy?
Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot!
Run, white collar, run!
Corporal White speaking.
Suspect escaping nearby bushes.
Come on, Corporal. Now give me that, man. Now give me that. Now give me that, Corporal. What you say?
Suspect escaping nearby bushes. Corporal.
Alright then. Forward back on the base.
Roger that.
Hello.
Babes.
Damn, man.
That's where your son to Frank.
Nothing.
You what go on now? Me dey pan shutter block, you see me? Foul cup. You what go on? I want you to couple of new beats, I know see a night me deal with the same way, you see me? And two new shoes them were just for out on the block.
Shoes? Kind of shoes you talk about?
New shoes man, I just land man. And bring couple of dog teeth them to here. Yeah man, the puppy them have to bark, you know. Cause watch you know babes, me have food and everything already, I just some beats more. Cause you don't know, my thing can't too shabby, you see me? As a general in the street, so just do so, here.
Alright.
So what go you move, so how am you?
Good man.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Baby, what going? Oh, everything there. Miss me. What going with you? Tell us say place just at for a matter of time. They make some passport and visa link, you see me? Tell us me have connect all about. I will reach over so couple music video can shoot to see me. You see me? I'm tired for your hide, you know. When I have your hide when you fly out, you know, that me I tell you know. Everything about good. Place just at for a matter of time.
Free.
Hey girl! How are you do?
Great. Caller.
I set your setup, man. My girl. You know what's your name I read from day one now, that's why when I call you and I chat to you and you move some type of way, you know.
What? Stop it nice, man.
Yo, you think of your son this?
Just don't know this one. Yeah.
You think of your son this police where you come up and lick up, man?
Stop it nice, man. Stop it nice, man. You want to go back in like Pope, roaster. Check him out, man. Shut him up, man. Shut him up.
Hey, come here.
Wow.
My girl, me no short staff, you know, remember say killer them active now.
You hear him? You hear him say man make him...
Stop worrying yourself, man. Stop worrying yourself.
Officer, you don't even know what kind of man this is, officer.
No, we don't even know what kind of man this man. We know what kind of man we be. So watch you know. You see, as long as you continue to deal with what I tell you to deal with, we'll see if we can work out something for you. You see me that you don't really see no jail time. You see me?
But officer, make remember my son in the officer.
You know about your son, man. You're a good man. Watch you know. Go on in your yard, man. Go take what you say. And then just give me a call. Yeah?
Can't believe they locked down a white collar in the dog.
Bro, 27, I'm glad say them man they get locked down. I'm tell you, bro. You move like say them man they a good influence in your life, Chargy.
Dog, right now you even know, right now dog, I'm tell you the truth, bro. Yo, never look at thing in the dog is a sharp. I am my best friend for a long time in the dog. I swear you are going to see me.
What kind of thing that I feel juicy you talk about?
Watch what I go on. But I with the excitement still, you know. See, dog, you want a dog? You see, from them time they when me deal with come and see dog, them. I have this from them time they in a Jew. I have to protect myself, you know. I mean, but they may rush you to it.
Bro, I keep on telling you, dog. Put on them things, my youth. But protect yourself, bro. My youth. Dog, you know, say them, bro, you just don't want better for yourself, bro. You don't want no good for yourself, you know, Chargy. When you have gun, what you think I go follow you, bro?
Hold that.
Ole. Inspector Lewis here from the Maybe Police Station. Can I step in? I'm looking for two young men, one by the name of 27 and Joe.
I'm fully 27, man. I mean that.
Alright, and you are, sir? Young man, speak on talking to you.
Joe, sir.
Joe, we have received some information that your guys' life is at risk. Someone put a hit on you guys. So we're here to offer you some protection. But before we can go there, so there's some rules to follow. first. I need my safety. So I need you guys to stand up so I can do a search. Don't worry, we got you covered, ready to take care of you. So please stand. Lift your shirt. Turn around. Lift your shirt and see the bag, please. Alright, let me see in the bag. Step 2 on it. Alright, so before we continue, again, ready to offer protection, but anything here to declare?
No.
Sure, anything to declare? I don't like that look, so what I will do, I will go ahead and proceed to search of the house. That's okay? We do have a warrant, so I don't need your permission. I'll inform you of the procedure, alright?
No problem.
Okay? Pretty nice and cool, man. Oh, ice cream and fridge one. That's nice. Hold on, what's going on here? Any rag can I use? What is this? I thought you guys had nothing to disclose. Hold on here. You guys are criminal. Government try to kill gunman. How have I gun this? Why do you talk up now? Because when I got jail tonight, you do it fast. I have no space in the jail cell.
I'm my gun officer. Remember more about you.
Step along, sir. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will use against you in the court of law. You have the right to attorney. You don't have one we appointed to you. Step along.
Yo, drop you off the road there, man. Lie door there.
You said done gonna jail, man.
So what go any place now?
No.
You don't know, say I may run off for 15. So just make them know that, you hear?